Hello friends.
My name is Andari Padunashananda. You can call me Adele.
My name is Mahira Tuhara. You can call me Mira.
Yeah, now you are going to practice nominal tense in progressive tenses. Yeah, are you ready? The sentence is you are kind. 1, 2, 3. Positive. Present progressive positive.
Present progressive positive.
You are
You are
being.
being kind.
Hmm.
Positive interrogative. Are you being kind? Negative. You are not being kind or you aren't being kind. Negative interrogative. Are you not being kind or aren't you being kind?
Ade, ola.
Ola is being kind. Positive interrogative. Is Ola being kind? Negative. Ola is not being kind or Ola isn't being kind. Negative interrogative. Is Ola not being kind or isn't Ola being kind? I am being kind. Positive interrogative. Am I being kind? Negative. I am not being kind. Negative interrogative. Am I not being kind?
Move to past.
Progressive.
Okay, you. No, you. I.
I was being kind. Positive interrogative. Was I being kind? Negative. I was not being kind or I wasn't being kind. Negative interrogative. Was I not being kind or wasn't I being kind?
Okay, you.
You were being kind. Positive interrogative. Were you being kind? Negative. You were not being kind or you weren't being kind. Negative interrogative. Were you not being kind or weren't you being kind?
Abil.
Abil has been. Abil was being kind. Positive interrogative. Was Abil being kind? Negative. Abil was not being kind or Abil wasn't being kind. Negative interrogative. Was Abil not being kind or wasn't Abil being kind?
Okay. Next, what is the next? Future progressive. Okay, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
I will be being kind.
Yeah.
Positive. Will I?
Positive interrogative.
Positive interrogative. Will I be being kind? Negative. I will not be being kind. Or I won't be being kind. Negative interrogative.
Will I?
Will I not be being kind or won't I be being
What
Won't I be being kind?
Okay. Ola.
Ola will be being kind. Positive interrogative. Will Ola be being kind? Negative. Ola will not be being kind or Ola won't be being kind. Negative interrogative. Will Ola not be being kind, or won't Ola be being kind?
Apa lagi? You.
You will be being kind. Positive interrogative. Will you be being kind? Negative. You will not be being kind, or you won't be being kind. Negative interrogative. Will you not be being kind, or won't you be being kind?
Langsung aja ke past. Apa itu?
Past future. Progressive.
Past future. Progressive. I
would be being kind. Positive interrogative. Would I be being kind? Negative. I would not be being kind, or I wouldn't be being kind. Negative interrogative. Would I not be being kind, or wouldn't I be being kind?
You.
You would be.
You would. No, you would.
Be being kind. Or positive interrogative. Would you be being kind? Negative. You would not be being kind, or you wouldn't be being kind. Negative interrogative. Would you not be being kind, or wouldn't you be being kind?
Move to present.
Present perfect progressive.
Ya, present perfect progressive. Look at the camera. I
have been being kind.
repeat. I have been being.
I have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Have I been being kind? Negative. I have not been being kind, or I haven't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Have I not been being kind, or haven't I been being kind?
Faika.
Faika has been being kind. Positive interrogative. Has Faika been being kind? Negative. Faika has not been being kind, or Faika hasn't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Has Faika not been being kind, or hasn't Faika been being kind?
Okay. You.
You have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Have you been being kind? Negative. You have not been being kind, or you haven't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Have you not been being kind, or haven't you been being kind?
Okay. Move to
Past perfect progressive.
perfect
Progressive.
I
had been being kind. Positive interrogative. Had I been being kind? Negative. I had not been being kind, or I hadn't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Had I not been being kind, or hadn't I been being kind?
You.
You had been being kind. Positive interrogative. Had you been being kind? Negative. You had not been being kind, or you hadn't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Had you not been being kind, or hadn't you been being kind?
Ola.
Ola had been being kind. Positive interrogative. Had Ola been being kind? Negative Negative. Ola had not been being kind, or Ola hadn't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Had Ola not been being kind, or hadn't Ola been being kind.
Okay, future.
Future
Move
perfect.
to future apa?
Future perfect progressive.
Okay. I
I will be being.
ah
I
will
be.
ah
I will be.
no, you keep silent. You understand? I will
I will be.
Nah.
I will be kind.
no.
I will be kind. I will be being kind.
Kau bisa selamat kalau ditolong sama Anca.
I will be. I will be being
Oh.
kind.
Pergi nih Anca.
I will be I will.
Kau mau tolong Ola? Enggak. Kalau saya enggak, kau tolong Mia. Do you wanna help Ola?
I will have been
Future.
being kind.
Future perfect progressive.
I will have been being kind.
Okay, good.
I will have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Will I have been being kind? Negative. I will not have been being kind, or I won't have been being kind. Negative interrogative. Will I not have been being kind, or won't I have been being kind? Virus will have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Will virus have been being kind? Negative. Virus will not have been being kind, or virus won't have been being kind. Negative interrogative. Will virus not have been being kind, or won't virus have been being kind?
You. They.
They will have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Will they have been being kind? Negative. They will not have been being kind, or they won't have been being kind. Negative interrogative. Will they not have been being kind, or won't they have been being kind?
Move to
Past, future, perfect, progressive. I would have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Would I have been being kind? Negative. Negative. I would not have been being kind, or I wouldn't have been being kind. Negative interrogative. Would I not have been being kind, or wouldn't I have been being kind?
we.
We would have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Would we have been being kind? Negative. We would not have been being kind, or we wouldn't have been being kind. Negative interrogative. Would we not have been being kind, or wouldn't we have been being interrogative. Would Virus and Abil have been being kind? Negative. Virus and Abil would not have been being kind, or Virus and Abil wouldn't have been being kind. Negative interrogative. Would Virus and Abil not have been being kind, or wouldn't Virus and Abil have been being kind?
Ya, very good, thank you. Bisa tak?
Semuanya jahat.
Apa Pi?
Hello friends, today I will practice orally.
Apa? Orally? Okay.
Orally.
Tenses orally.
Tenses orally about simple and perfect.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Anilati Fakuna Wisananda. You can call me Ola.
Okay, let me see your Sola.
Simple present. You are kind. Positive interrogative. Are you kind? Negative. You are not kind or you aren't kind. Negative interrogative. Are you not kind or aren't you kind? He is kind or he is kind. Positive interrogative. Is he kind? Negative. Negative. He is not kind or he isn't kind. Negative interrogative. Is he not kind or isn't he kind? I am kind. Negative. Positive interrogative. Am I kind? Negative. I'm not kind. Negative interrogative. Am I not kind? Simple past. You were kind. Negative interrogative. Positive interrogative. Were you kind? Negative. You were not kind or you weren't kind. Negative interrogative. Were you not kind or weren't you kind? He was.
The name of the person.
Oh, he Abil was kind. Negative. Positive interrogative. Positive interrogative. Is Abil kind? Was Abil kind? And negative. Abil was not kind or Abil wasn't kind. Negative interrogative. Was Abil not kind or wasn't Abil kind? Simple future. You will be kind. Positive. Negative. Positive interrogative. Will you be kind? Negative. You will not be kind or you won't be kind. Negative interrogative. Will you not be kind or won't you be kind? Mahira will be kind. Positive interrogative. Will Mahira be kind? Negative. Mahira will not be kind or Mahira won't be kind. Negative interrogative. Will Mahira not be kind or won't Mahira be kind? Simple past future. Positive. You would be kind. Positive interrogative. Would you be kind? Negative. You would not be kind or you wouldn't be kind. Negative interrogative. Would you not be kind or wouldn't you be kind? Virus would be kind. Positive interrogative. Would virus be kind? Negative. Virus would not be kind or virus wouldn't be kind. Negative interrogative. Would virus not be kind or wouldn't virus be kind? Present.
Hi.
Oh, I would be kind. Positive interrogative. Would I be kind? Negative. Negative. I would not be kind or I wouldn't be kind. Negative interrogative. Would I not be kind or wouldn't I be kind? Present perfect.
Perfect.
Present perfect. I would I have been I have been smart. Positive interrogative. Have I been smart? Negative. I have not been I have not been smart. Or I haven't been smart. Negative interrogative. Have I not been smart or haven't I been smart?
Or Adele.
Adele have been smart.
Okay.
Huh? Adele has been smart.
Yeah.
Positive interrogative. Has Adele been smart? Negative. Adele has not been smart or Adele hasn't been smart. Negative interrogative. Has Adele not been smart or hasn't Adele been smart? They have been smart. Positive interrogative. Have they been smart? Negative. Negative. Have they not been smart or negative. Have they have not been smart or they haven't been smart. Negative interrogative. Have they not been smart or haven't have they not been smart or haven't they been smart? Perfect. Past perfect. I had been smart. Positive interrogative. Had I been smart? Negative. I had not been smart. Or I hadn't been smart. Negative interrogative. Negative interrogative. Had I not been smart or had I not been smart or hadn't I been smart? We had been smart. Positive interrogative. Had we been smart? Negative. We had not been smart or we hadn't been smart. Negative interrogative. Had we not been smart or hadn't we been smart?
Orang saja. The name of the person.
Ola had been smart. Positive interrogative. Had Ola been smart? Negative. Ola had not been smart or Ola hadn't been smart. Negative interrogative. Had Ola not been smart or hadn't Ola been smart? Perfect future. Future perfect. Perfect. You will be smart. You will be. You will have been. You will have been smart. Positive interrogative. Will you have been smart? Negative. You will not have been smart, or you won't have been smart. Negative interrogative. Will you not have been smart, or won't you have been smart? Abil will have been smart. Positive interrogative. Will Abil have been smart? Negative. Abil will not be smart, or Abil will not have been smart, or Abil won't have been smart. Won't. Abil won't have been smart. Negative interrogative. Will Abil not have been smart, or won't Abil have been smart?
Once tekan ya. Once.
I had been.
Apa?
I will have been smart. Positive interrogative. Will I have been smart? Negative. Negative. I will not have been smart, or I won't have been smart. Negative interrogative. Negative interrogative. Will I not been smart? Will I not have been smart, or won't I have been smart? Perfect past future. Perfect past future. I would.
No, past future perfect.
Past future perfect. I would have been smart. Positive interrogative. Would I have been smart? Negative. I would not have been smart, or I wouldn't have been smart. Negative interrogative. Would I not have been smart, or wouldn't I have been smart? Adele would have been smart. Positive interrogative. Would Adele have been smart? Negative. Adele would not have been smart, or Adele wouldn't have been smart. Negative interrogative. Would Adele not been smart, or would Adele not have been smart, or wouldn't Adele have been smart? I would have been smart. Positive interrogative. Would I have been smart? Negative. I would not have been smart, or I wouldn't have been smart. Negative. Negative interrogative. Would I not have been smart, or wouldn't I have been smart?
Thank you. Final tense. 1, 2, 3.
Hello friends, today I will practice about my tenses in nominal tenses.
Ya, using be ya, menggunakan be. pada semua perubahan struktur tenses ya. Maksudnya 8 ya. Simple dan perfect. Oke?
Okay.
Terserah kalimatnya, whatever the sentence you want, up to you. What sentence do you want?
Is you are kind.
You are kind. Okay. Time is short, simple present. You say positive, positive interrogative, negative, negative interrogative. Understand?
Understand.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Simple present. You are kind.
Positive.
Positive. You are kind. Positive interrogative. Are you kind? Negative. You are not kind. Or you aren't kind. Negative interrogative. Are you not kind? Or aren't you kind?
Simple.
Simple past.
No. It is divided into 3 kan, dibagi menjadi 3. You, he, dengan
Oh, okay. Sorry. Simple present.
simple.
He.
He.
He is kind. Positive. Positive interrogative. Is he kind? Negative. He is not kind. Or he isn't kind. Negative interrogative. Is he not kind? Or isn't he kind? Simple present I.
Ya.
Positive, I am kind. Positive interrogative, am I kind? Negative, I am not kind. Negative interrogative, am I not kind? Move to simple past. Simple past. Positive, you were kind. Positive interrogative, were you kind? Negative, you were not kind or you weren't kind. Positive negative interrogative, were you not kind or weren't you kind? Simple past.
I.
Okay. I was kind. Positive. Positive interrogative. Was I kind? Negative. I was not kind or I wasn't kind. Negative interrogative. Was I not kind or wasn't I kind?
I tadi udah apa lagi?
He.
He. Okay, he.
Simple
The name of the
past.
person lah.
Yeah.
Olah atau siapa?
Okay. Okay. Hilal is kind. Positive. Hilal is kind. Positive interrogative. Is Hilal kind? Negative. Hilal is not kind or Hilal isn't kind. Negative interrogative. Negative interrogative. Is Hilal not kind or isn't Hilal kind? Move to simple future. You positive. You will be kind. Positive interrogative. Will you be kind? Negative. You will not be kind or you won't be kind. Negative interrogative. Will you not be kind? Will you not be kind or won't you be kind?
He.
Okay.
Una
Simple
name of the
future.
person aja.
He. Okay. Okay. Simple future. He. She. Ola will be kind. Positive interrogative. Will Ola be kind? Negative. Ola will not be kind or Ola won't be kind. Negative interrogative. Will Ola not be kind or won't Ola be kind?
Itu gaya orang Inggris. No, I shan't break my heart. I shall.
Simple future I.
Ingat?
I
Gaya
will.
orang Inggris.
Positive, I will be kind. Positive interrogative, will I be kind? Negative, I will not be kind or I won't be kind. Negative interrogative, will I not be kind or won't I be kind? I be kind. Untuk simple past future. Okay. You would be kind. Positive. You would be kind. Positive interrogative. Would you be kind? Negative. You would not be kind. Or you wouldn't be kind.
Who is the next after this?
Negative interrogative. Would you not be kind? Or wouldn't you be kind? Move to simple past future. He. Okay. Aufa would be kind. Aufa positive. Aufa would be kind. Positive interrogative. Would Aufa be kind? Negative. Aufa would not be kind, or Aufa wouldn't be kind. Negative interrogative. Would Aufa not be kind, or wouldn't Aufa be kind? Move to simple past. Teacher I would. Positive. I would be kind. Positive interrogative. Would I be kind? Negative. I would not be kind, or I wouldn't be kind. Negative interrogative. Would I not be kind, or wouldn't I be kind? Move to present perfect.
3 ya.
Okay. Past present perfect you. Okay. You have been kind. Positive interrogative. Have you been kind?
Have you been?
Have you been kind? Okay. Negative. You have not been kind, or you haven't been kind. Negative interrogative. Have you not been kind, or haven't you been kind?
Been.
Been kind.
Kan be. I dulu.
Okay. Past future
Hmm.
present perfect I have been kind. Positive. Positive interrogative. Have I been kind? Negative. I have not been kind, or I haven't been kind. Negative interrogative. Have I not been kind, or haven't I been kind?
Been.
Been
Bukan
kind.
be. He.
Okay.
Sama orang.
Virus. Present perfect. He. Virus has been kind. Positive interrogative. Has virus been kind? Negative. Virus has not been kind, or virus hasn't been kind. Negative interrogative. Has virus not been kind, or hasn't virus been kind?
Seperti.
Past perfect you had. Positive. You had been kind. Positive interrogative. Had you been kind? Negative. You had not been kind, or you hadn't been kind. Negative interrogative. Had you not been kind, or hadn't you been kind?
Kayak apa nah? Be.
Been.
Ulangi.
Hadn't you been kind? Past perfect I. Positive. I had been kind. Positive interrogative. Had I been kind? Negative. I had not been kind, or I hadn't been kind. Negative interrogative. Had I not been kind, or hadn't I been kind?
Been.
Been kind.
Salah sih.
Past perfect. Past perfect. Alif. Positive. Alif had been kind. Positive interrogative. Had Alif been kind? Negative. Ali had not been kind, or Ali hadn't been kind. Negative interrogative. Had Alif not been kind, or hadn't Ali been kind? Untuk future perfect, you. Positive. You will have been kind. Positive interrogative. Will you have been kind? Negative. You will not have been kind, or you won't have been kind. Negative interrogative. Will you not have been kind, or won't you have been kind? Future perfect I will have. Positive. I will have been kind. Positive interrogative. Will I have been kind? Negative. I will have not been kind. I will not have been kind, or I won't have been kind. Negative interrogative. Will I not have been kind, or won't I have been kind? Future perfect he. Okta will have positive Okta will have been kind. Positive interrogative. Will Okta have been kind? Negative. Okta will not have been kind, or Okta won't have been kind. Negative interrogative. Will Okta not have been kind, or won't Okta have been kind? Move to past future perfect. You positive. You would have been kind. Positive interrogative. Would you have been kind? Negative. You would not have been kind, or you wouldn't have been kind. Negative interrogative. Would you not have been kind, or wouldn't you have been kind? Past future perfect. I would have been kind. Positive interrogative. Would I have been kind? Negative. I would not have been kind, or I wouldn't have been kind. Negative interrogative. Negative interrogative. Would I not have been kind, or wouldn't I have been kind? Past future perfect. Okay. Positive. Mahira would have been kind. Positive interrogative. Would Mahira have been kind? Negative. Mahira would not have been kind, or Mahira wouldn't have been kind. Negative interrogative. Would Mahira not have been kind, or wouldn't Mahira have been kind? Okay. So that's all. Thank you.
Very good. Oke, alhamdulillah baru saja Abil kelas 3 SMP ya selesai tensis luar kepala, dan ini adalah materi yang dasar sekali, dan ada 8 kotak yang berhasil dia tuntaskan dengan segala bentuk perubahannya. Ini dia kotak pertama, dan yang kotak ketiga untuk ini materi yang progresif untuk materi intermediate, dan terlihat dia mampu melakukannya dengan baik. Oh, Kakak Anto nonton. Thank you for watching. Berikutnya peserta yang lain akan praktek lagi di luar kepala, yaitu siapa ya? Ola. Oke, thank you. Bye bye.